know about the first law of thermodynamics? Hi everyone, today we're diving into the first law of thermodynamics. It's a fundamental principle that helps us understand how energy works in our world. The first law of thermodynamics is like the ultimate rule for energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. This law is another way of stating the law of conservation of energy. In other words, the total energy in a flow system remains constant. There are three factors involved. These are internal energy, the total energy contained within a system. It includes the motion of molecules, the energy stored in chemical bonds, and even potential energy between particles. Next, we have heat, the energy that flows into or out of a system due to a temperature difference. If heat is added to a system, it's considered positive. If heat leaves the system, it's considered negative. The third variable is work. Work is the energy transferred when a force is applied to move or change the volume of the system. If the system does work on its surroundings, then work is positive. But if work is done on a system, like compressing gas, work is negative. Let's tackle this concept with an example which you all know, which is the bicycle pump. When you push the pump handle down, you do work on the system. This work increases the internal energy of the compressed air, which raises its temperature and pressure. The work you put in on the pump gets converted into internal energy of the compressed air. With this in mind, let's pump the tire of the bike with the help of the first law of thermodynamics. Another example, which we all know and do every day, is charging a phone. The law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. When you charge your phone, electrical energy from the charger is transferred into the phone's battery, where it is stored as chemical energy. Later, when you use your phone, this stored chemical energy is converted into electrical energy again, which powers the phone's circuits and functions. And that wraps up our look at the first law of thermodynamics, the idea that energy can't be created or destroyed, only transformed. From pumping bicycle to powering cell phone, energy is always conserved. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, energy is all around us, constantly changing but never disappearing.